Hello, my name is Kevin Foglyano and I'm a biomedical engineer at the Advanced Platform Technology Center here at the Cleveland VA Medical Center. I have worked in the motion study lab for 11 years, focusing on electrical stimulation to restore function for individuals with lower extremity paralysis. Recently, we have been using this electrical stimulation as an exercise modality, both for recreation and to enhance health benefits. This current project, entitled Clinical Surface Stimulation Cycling Program for Veterans with Paralysis, is part of the VHA Innovators Network and is to expand upon our current stimulation cycling program that we have established here in Cleveland. We place surface stimulation electrodes over the muscles, and these are connected to a stimulator which contract the muscles. The stimulator is controlled by a clinician-friendly user interface tablet which we developed from a prior Craig H. Nielsen Foundation project, where the user or clinician can easily program and update the stimulation parameters. The position of the pedals is read by a sensor which is fed into the controller to stimulate the appropriate muscles at the appropriate times. With this iNet project, we are taking the system to the Bronx and Pittsburgh VAs to extend this impact to more veterans. To the individuals who have already completed this program, they have seen health benefits including weight loss, muscle mass gain, and increased power output, and with this project we hope to expand this impact to as many veterans as possible in the coming future.